season. Axis Bank will report its Q1 numbers today. A big one starting off the earnings from the banking space. Gaurav is here with the details. Gaurav.
Well, yes, when it comes to Axis Bank, there are two things to highlight here. First is that the weakness in the loan book, that is what is expected in Axis Bank, at least in first quarter. We have seen Axis Bank actually reporting a weak set of numbers if we compare it with the industry, and that trend is likely to continue even in first quarter. Now, they are expecting around 7.5% of growth in the loan book. On the deposit side, we may see the loan book growth somewhere in a double digit in the tune of around 10%. As a result, let's also talk about some profitable metrics. Net interest income, it is likely to go up almost by 2%, and this is because of the weakness in the quarter because of some stress in net interest margins. Now, let's not forget that Street is expecting just 25 basis point of impact of the rate cut has been passed on because of the re-rating cycle of Axis Bank, and that is the reason they're expecting net interest margins to contract only by 10 to 12 basis point. Net interest margins may be seen somewhere in the range of 10 to 12 basis point lower than the quarter-on-quarter basis. When it comes to PPOP, fee income is something which will support the pre-provisional operating profit, and that is the reason why they're expecting around 7% growth here. But on the other hand, they have also tightened their provisioning norms. Let's not forget about that as well. And that is the reason why credit cost is likely to inch up almost by 40 to 50 basis point. And for quarter one, fresh slippages are also likely to be higher because of the stress in agri loans. And as a result, provisions may go up and profitability may increase only by 3% on a year-on-year basis. Now, going ahead, there are a few things to watch out for. First is that the loan book commentary, how the growth commentary is going to be in terms of loan book. Second is the margin commentary, because as we know, around 25 basis point of margin cut has been passed on as per analysis. So we will be watching out on how the commentary is going to be from the management. And third is the management attrition. Now, Mr. Rajiv Anand, who is Deputy MD, he will retire on August of 3rd. So any commentary on that front, if there is anything that they are going to change in terms of management, is something to be watched out for. But for now, in terms of numbers, weakness is what we are expecting from Axis Bank in first quarter.
Expecting numbers from Axis Bank, the first of the big banks to report results starting today. Of course, counting down to the big Saturday result day as well. But the other one from the Nifty